So here is a video showing you how to use Google Forms to create a survey. You're going to go to a regular Google screen. You're going to click on the upper right-hand corner where the tile layout is. Click there, scroll down, and then you're going to go to Google Forms. Click on Google Forms. You can see I have a whole bunch of different things in here. We want to start a new form. You can give it a title right here. Here is, so you can put mom's survey. Obviously, that's not what you're calling it. But here's your first question. Did you enjoy the event? Multiple choice. You can choose to create a multiple choice. It'll give you option 1 when you click on it. Option 2, you can add options. You can add other if you want, but you don't have to. You can add an option 2, so you can have yes, no, other if you want them to have a choice to do other, or you can just leave it as is. Okay. So that's creating the survey title, creating a question. Now you can do different kinds of questions. You can choose multiple choice. You can do check boxes, like if you want them to check a box, you can do a star rating. 1, so did you enjoy the event on a scale from 1 to 5? Obviously it would be, 1, 2, 3. You can change it to hearts, to thumbs up, however you want to do that. You could do a scale rating on a scale from 1 to 5. And then you keep going down to add a question. You just click the little plus here and you can keep adding questions if you want them to be multiple choice or whatever. Let's say you want to add a star rating underneath your number rating. You can put that there. You can add another question and turn it into a short answer. So you can have your question, what did you think about the event? And then they can give you a short answer. Those are really short though. I would, if you're going to do a short answer, I'd probably choose paragraph and change it so that they have more room to write if you want. So you can also duplicate the question, but basically you can add videos, you can add pictures, you can change the text as you go. You can import questions, but you're probably not doing that. While you create the form, then you can finish it all up and then decide that you want to share it. You can, from this regular site, you can track your responses. Those will come in here. For settings, you can manage how responses are collected. You can collect, decide to collect the email address it's coming from. I usually don't do that. Send responders a copy of their response. You can set that. Allow response to editing. That's if you want them to change it after they've submitted it. You probably don't want that. And limit to 1 response. You probably do want that for statistics. So those are the settings. You can go to a preview to see what it looks like while you're creating it. And this is the copy response link and the share. So you can't really, I don't think you can share or do anything else with it until you publish. But if you decide you want, yeah, you have to publish it first. So let's publish it. And then you can go in here to see how to do the response link. So the responder link is, and you can shorten it so that it's shorter to give to somebody. You can take this link and then that's what you send out to the person you want to take the survey. So that's like the quick tour of Google Forms. Again, you're coming back, you're creating a title, you're adding your questions using this plus, and then choosing what kind of question you want, and then going through. You save your settings, do a preview to see what it would look like. This is our very quick example, but that gives you an idea of what it looks like. Exit out of preview mode. At the top of your form, you save this in Google, by the way, your Google account. Any responses that are sent to you will be sent here. You can also download it as an Excel so that you can sort and filter for results that you want. Okay, so that is the basic idea. Now you can also do different styles, like you can set a theme, and you can add like pictures and have a template. Those are all things that you can do before you publish it. Okay, so if you wanted to come back and go to Google Forms and create a new one, all right, let's say here we wanted like a template. These are all ones that I've done. You can add a picture up here. You can choose a header, like in here where it gives you the theme. You can choose a picture. It has some images that you can choose and go through. So for school, I usually pick something like this one you see a lot, the pencils or the book. For you, if you're doing for your church group or art or something, you might want to pick something art related. I thought I saw paintbrushes up here. I mean, not exactly the art that you're doing, but it will add a theme to the top, and that will kind of give you the format here and let you start playing around with it. Okay, so I don't want to give you too much to overwhelm you, but those are the basics of it. You can share these with people by sharing it out through email. You can get the editor view here is right here. So what you want to do is people with access can access the survey. Editor view, you want to be restricted. Responder view, you can put anyone with the link. Okay, so that is from the plus button, the little profile person over here with the plus button. If you want to send out that link that I showed you, you want to do that here. You want to say anyone with a link can respond, but the restricted needs to be for you to be the only one to change it. All right, so this is where you get your copy link. This is where you can determine how you share and who has permissions to do that. Okay, all right, I'll go over the rest with you, but I wanted you to have this video just so you knew how to access. All right, here you go.